Hiya! How you doing? Have you done something fun yet? Well, let's do something fun together. Like, finally have a go at NerdECrafter's Not Another Crap Kit! Yay! Okay, I've already done the first step, which is put my mould together. Now I'm gonna measure out the let's just put that aside 1 minute. Now I'm gonna measure out, how much did it say? Sorry, I've got my instructions next to me. 200 millilitres. So I've got millilitres there. That's the 200 point. So okay, we're going up to there. Right, I've already pre-cut the plaster open. Just need to undo the zippy seal bit. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's pour this out. Now I know in a video when she was doing it with Sika, he said not to shake it too much because you don't want it compact. So let's have a go, and hopefully I won't compact it too much. I'll just shake it to level it. Ooh, I've already got quite a bit in there, so let's have a look. I'm being really careful not to get this everywhere. Oh, a little bit more. Yeah, a bit more. Hopefully I'm not compacting it too much. So it's not my normal resin video, but I've been dying to get onto this and I just haven't had time to do more than one video. That'll do. Right, let's plop that into there. Trying to be careful to not get it everywhere. There we go. Right, and now, so we've got cups, and now what do we need? We need 3 ounces of water, which is in between the 2 and the 4, obviously. Let's have a look. 3 ounces. This is just water. I've just put it in an old drinks bottle. There we go. That's level. Okay, and you're supposed to just pour it all in at once. And let it bubble up. Let the magic begin. There we go. We're going to let it bubble for a few minutes. Remembering I've only got 5 minutes to work this, and it doesn't seem a long time. But don't panic on it, guys. 5 minutes when you're not panicking is actually quite a bit of time. Have you ever stood waiting for something to happen for 5 minutes? Seems like forever, right? Okay. Here we go. Just gonna let that all mix in and do its magic. I don't know whether people have been compacting down the permastone too much. But I didn't find that hard to stir at all. Just going to make sure I've got everything. Yeah, that was dead easy. Yeah, so like I say, it's not a full on, you are going to get a bit of resin in this video. It's not a full on resin video, but hey, it's Jackie's craft kit. And to be honest, it's taken me a little while to decide what I'm going to do, but I've finally decided on one that I'm hoping will be easy enough. I'm going to try and do it as easy as I possibly can so I don't end up with something I don't like. But I'm planning on, well, I tell you what, let's leave it at that. I'm planning on doing something. We'll see how it turns out. But yeah, right, I think, and I can't feel any more gloopiness there. That feels like that's done. Okay, I'm just gonna put that there for now. Right, here we go. Now, do I use the funnel? Do I use the stick? Do I use the funnel? Let's try the funnel. Okay. Oh, it's going to be too high for you to be able to see. Yeah, there's some previous bits that I was searching through to see what I'd made and what I hadn't. Okay, here we go. Nice stream. And that gloop in. Oh yeah, I can see it. It's coming up, all right. Oh, don't drop it, Marie, don't drop it. I can feel my hand tense. Oh, here we go. It's gone over. Okay, now we do the little judder judder. Oh, I don't know if I can. Okay. Judder 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 judder. Nope, I've seen someone do this, and that seemed to work. He's jumping out a little bit, but I have seen someone do that. So I'm just hammering on the table. Shaky, shaky, shaky. Sorry for the noise. Trying to just see if I think that's going to be it. Okay, and I've got quite some left over, so I'm hoping I've done it right. Hoping it's filled everywhere. Guess we'll wait and see. No, I'm not going to put that in there. I'll just pop that on there. No. Just pop it on there. I'll clean it all after. Right. I'm going to wait and I'm going to give it half an hour and we'll see what happens. Back in a bit. Okay, so I'm back. It's been a while. Yeah, it looks like everything's cracked. I had some left over, so I'm hoping. Look, this came out. I might be able to use that as a little base to stand him on. Might be a bit thin, but should be all right. Little platform for him. Right. Let's open the mould and see what we've got. Keep your fingers crossed for me. Yay. Here we go. Well, if this has worked, then that was easy enough. Happy to make more of those. Although, I don't know where I'm going to get any more of this permastone stuff. Because I'm in the UK, so... Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Looks okay. There's quite a bit of bubbling, but nothing that can't be taken care of. Right. This is the hand that matters. Let's have a look, see if we can take everything else off. Not too much cleanup to be done. Okay. Come on, release. Release. Yes. Oh, a little bit of bubble on the hand there, look. But literally not that much at all. Oh, cool. A little bit of touch up to be done. Not too much on the head. A little bit of the head to be done, but yeah, that has turned out quite good. I'm quite pleased with that. Hiya, so I'm back. This is the little bit of resin that we're going to do in this video. I have decided I'm going to make it a two-part video. So we've already done the making of the little statue. I'm going to do the little bit of resin that we're going to do, and in the next one we're going to do the sculpting part of it, and hopefully the painting part of it. Sorry I'll have to put it into a two-part, but I am just done in at the minute. Yeah, life's not great. So you might be wondering what this is. This is part of the character, and the character, I'll give you a little clue. He wears a monocle, so I'm going to try and make a monocle. I've just glued it down to the come on, spread out. Our body's learning new tricks of how to cause me pain and bother. So yeah, just learning to deal with that, and once I've learned to deal with that, I'll be okay again, but right now it's a bother. Okay, yes, I've got my NerdECrafter. Here we go. It's done. Yep, it's all nice and solid. That's good. Seems solid from the back. That's good. Might need to put a bit of glaze on that, but that's about it. Yeah. Oh. Right, there we go, and that, oops, that will be a monocle. Yeah, I might redo another one without and try and get so that I haven't got a bubble in it, but other than that, yeah, I think that's a perfect size. Okay, hopefully that will work. Now I'm going to do the eyes, and I'm going to use the tiniest ones for the eyes because he hasn't got massive eyes. I mean, he's got fairly decent sized eyes, but he hasn't got massive eyes. And if you want to know what I'm making, you're going to have to watch the other video. I'm not spoiling it. I know. That's just cruel, but hey, you'll live. Here we go. I'm just going to use the mat and put the tiniest bit on because I literally only need the tiniest bit. Okay, let's have a look. I just need to get this in the center, so hopefully a circly blob in the center. was it. I just realised that's going to have to dry now. So, okay. Okay, I'm back. Black is now set. Yep. And I'm going to go in with the white. Having a quick shake. I don't think it needs shaking, but just to be on the safe side. A quick little shake, a tiny bit down, literally just a tiny bit, because these are so little. A littlest brush again, and just I really want to do this justice. It's my first ever modelling. It's the first ever time doing anything like this, so I want to take my time with it. I don't want to rush it. So I hope you understand, and I hope you enjoy my first part of the video. There we go. Let those dry. Okay, so here we are. Sorry, my camera seems to keep sliding down. Here we are, and this is where I'm leaving it. I did start to maybe think I could do the face, but I'm just too worn out, too tired, and as you can see, I might be taking those off, but we'll see. But he's all prepped, he's all ready. All the holes on that have been filled in, so he's ready to start sculpting. I have done the eyes. I'm going to be redoing this one because I don't like it and it doesn't fit flat to the face, whereas this one does. So that's a yes, that's a no, but that won't take me 2 minutes to do. And yeah, I've decided I'm keeping his monocle because it's the perfect size. Look, it fits over his eye perfectly. Yeah, I like that, so I'm keeping that, even with a little bubble in. I just think it adds a little something. So that's where we're going to leave this video, and hopefully the next video will be actually doing the sculpting part. I hope you've enjoyed it so far. If you like it, subscribe. And that's everything. But before I go, the next time you decide you don't like the way someone looks, just remember, when you take away all the squishy parts, we're all just skeletons, aren't we? Try being kind. The results might just surprise you. Thanks for watching.